our life. But have you ever wondered the way it grows and how it affects our planet and our pockets? Today, we will explore two major approaches, one the organic and the conventional, through the cost-benefit lens. Organic farming focuses on natural fertilizers, eco-friendly pest control, and maintaining soil health. Whereas conventional farming, on the other hand, relies on chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and to boost yield and to meet the ever-growing global demand. While conventional methods often produce more in less time, organic farming produces long-term sustainability and healthier produce. But at what cost? That we will break down in this video.
Now let's look at the costs involved in both organic and conventional farming. Organic farming avoids synthetic chemicals, so farmers depend on natural fertilizers like compost or manure, which can be more expensive or time consuming to prepare. Farmers also need more labor to take tasks like manual weeding and pest control. This increases operational costs. Getting an organic certification is costly and time consuming, especially for small farmers. Yield in organic farming can be lower at first, meaning less output for the same amount of land. Let us now introduce AI's role in reducing the costs. AI-powered soil sensors can analyze what nutrients are missing and suggest the exact amount of fertilizers that can save a lot of money. Drones with AI cameras detect pest outbreaks very easily and very early, reducing pesticide use. AI cost optimization tools help farmers decide the best time to buy seeds and fertilizers when the prices are at the lowest.
And now let's talk about some benefit comparisons of yield, profit, environment for conventional and organic farming. Conventional farming is a highly short-term yield, lower cost per unit but declining soil fertility over time. While coming into organic farming is slightly lower yield initially, long-term soil health and higher marketing prices. Of course, it's a premium demand. And while talking AI roles in benefits, predictive analytics can forecast demand and suggest optimal crop choices. It helps organic farmers to find best prices and marketplaces. AI climate models helps both system adapt to weather and reduces crop losses.
And now the conclusion. Both organic and conventional systems have values. One ensures sustainability while the other ensures efficiency. The future lies in integrating AI to balance productivity with sustainability. For consumers, AI platforms can trace food origin and verify organic authenticity, and for sellers or farmers, AI decision tools to help them balance cost, yield, and sustainability. AI is the bridging gap between cost and sustainability. Whether organic or conventional, the future of farming is intelligent, efficient, and sustainable.